Hi guys!
Hi guys! Gagawa ako ng salted peanuts.
Oh.
I
Nice.
don't know how many pounds. I think this is
3.5.
3.5 pounds. Bili ko sa Asian store kasi paborito ko to. Then, meron akong 6 garlic. Gimash ko na siya ng knife. Ganyan. Hindi ko natanggalin yung balat. Tapos, ilalagay ko siya sa oil. Nag-heat na ako ng oil. I don't know if that's enough, honey. Oil. I think I need to add more. Okay, I think that's good enough. Okay, so now I will drop lagay ko na yung mani. Yan, tama na siguro yan. Tingnan natin. Saan yung, here's my, so like that. Lagyan natin ng asin pag luto na. Okay. So, marami pa akong natira dito. Lutuin ko na naman to uli pag naubos na yan. So, ito yung natira sa peanut. Bantayan niyo siya kasi baka masunog. Ganyan lang. Madali lang. Simple. Simple peanut.
Gigu Marta, mahal.
Tagalog for good afternoon. You forgot.
No. Harpoon.
Magandang hapon.
Magadam harpoon.
Yeah.
Magadam omega.
What is that?
Good morning.
Very good.
And Magadam gabi.
What is that?
Good night.
Very good.
Magadam goodbye.
How about thank you?
Gracias. Salamat.
Very good.
Yeah, gigu makata mahal kita. That's all I know.
So now it's boiling. Oh, that's my favorite. I will not stop eating.
Oh.
Yeah.
But you remove it from the penis eventually, right?
Yeah, but I don't.
Oh. When you gonna make the spaghetti?
Probably tomorrow. I don't have a spaghetti pasta. Spaghetti.
John wants you to teach him
Yeah, but
Filipino spaghetti. Salamat.
he's in Portland, so I don't.
Delicious. How do you say delicious?
Sarap.
Syrup.
Masarap.
Yes, syrup.
Masarap.
Yeah.
So guys, I have 2 in here. I will try if it's done or not. Oh, it's hot. A little bit more, maybe a few minutes. So guys, i-off ko na yung apoy para hindi masunog. Meron ako dito konti, titikman ko. Parang luto na siya. Tapos ililipat natin dito sa strainer. So guys, luto na ang atong mani. Ilalagay ko na siya, i-strain ko siya dito sa strainer. Para matanggal yung oil. So guys, andito na ang ating mani. So now, ang gagawin natin, nalagyan natin ng salt. So may salt ako dito, may salt. Pure sea salt. Lagyan natin. Tapos i-mix natin. Yan. Para kakapit yung asin. And look, that's what I do. Put some salt.
Wow.
Like that.
Wow.
And
What
then
kind of salt is that?
sea salt. And then you just mix it. Then you let it drain continuously the oil.
Very nice. Wow.
Very nice. I think the salt is enough. Yan na yung ating salted peanuts. Ano? So, malamig na yung peanuts natin. So, ayan yung oil na na-drain. Konti lang. Ilagay ko na siya sa container dito. Sa Tupperware. Yes. See? And just let it until it dry. There you go. Peanuts pala. Salamat sa inyong panunood. Thank you for watching. Please do like, comments, and subscribe. Salamat sa inyong mga suporta.